Hi everyone, this is Ajay, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a screenshot using Python. Let's start. First you have to open cmd command from. Then you have to install one package. So I'm typing pip install py auto GUI py auto GUI. Enter. It is installed. Then you have to install one more package which is called pillow. pip install pillow. Enter. After installing these two packages, you have to open ideally Python ideally. Enter. Go to the file, new. Here we can write the code. First we have to import py auto GUI and then take a variable called sc is equal to py auto GUI dot screenshot. Close. Then type esc dot save, and then here you can enter the folder path where the screenshot is saved. I'm going to save here and click here. Here you can, from here you can copy path. I'm going to copy, and then here you can paste, control V. After doing this, go to the run and the module. Okay, I have to save on the desktop. Yes, see Python file, save. Yeah. Oh, there is some fault. I'm going to fix it. Here you can write file name to and sc dot instruction is png format. After that I can run this. Okay, yeah, it's run. And here you can see in this folder there is a screenshot called sc. Here you can get the screenshot of that. In this way you can take a screenshot using Python. Once more try, run this. I can change the name of this. Let's one. Then run again. Enter. Here another screenshot is saved. That this is okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.